down idea to our cohort. And if they like it and vote on it, it gets selected and it gets built in 14 days. So that's pretty awesome from idea to creation, even as an MVP like you guys saw, fully functional. Next up we have One World, so let's give it up for Serena and Tim.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Tim.
And I'm Serena.
And we're One World.
We're going to start off with a series of pictures from a refugee camp on the northern coast of France. The UN estimates that there are currently 20 million refugees worldwide, more than at any other time since post-World War II. Half of these people are children, and many of them live in conditions such as this. We believe that we can do a better job solving the global refugee crisis. Governments and NGOs are doing all that they can, but it is simply not enough. It's time for the community to step up and take action. That's why we created One World. One World is a mobile-first web app that assists in providing housing for those in need. One World has two types of users, refugees and hosts. Refugees are those who are in need of secure housing, and hosts are those who are willing to take refugee families into their homes and provide them with the housing in which they seek.
We'll start our demonstration by logging in as a refugee. Here we meet Serena, who's looking for an opportunity for her family to relocate. On logging in, she'll be taken to our community page. This gives her a complete listing of all cities that are currently accepting refugees and have available housing. Once you find a city you're interested in, you can get additional information by clicking on it. And continue on scrolling. Once you find a city you would like to look more detail at, you select it, and you're provided with a list of options in that city along with a map outlining where they are in relation to each other. If you'd like additional information on any individual listings, you can select it and then choose through photographs, find additional information, and you can get additional information about the host family. If you decide that you are interested in this location, you can send a message to them, and we decided to keep the messaging in application so that way you would have a seamless transition of communication between the host and the refugee. So there's no need to go outside the app. Once we're finished sending our message, Serena will go over One World from the host side of things.
Alright. We're logging in now as Deanna. Deanna is the kind host that you guys just met in Toronto. When Deanna logs in, she is immediately taken to her dashboard page. Here she can view her profile, she can make edits to her profile, she can also view and edit her listings. In addition, she can upload pictures. In the top right of the corner, she sees that she has new messages. She clicks the link to her inbox, she finds Sherahan's message, she opens it, reads it, and responds accordingly. From here, she and Sherahan can continue to communicate as much as necessary without ever having to use their own personal email system. When she is finished, she marks the message as read, and she logs out.
Now you may be asking yourself how a group of displaced refugees would have access to the internet, let alone One World. Well, statistically, 86% of all refugees actually have access to a smartphone, and in most cases, this is only when communication to news and family members are separated from.
For the future of One World, we would like to integrate the Google Map API onto the Our Community page so that refugees can plan their journey based on our available host network and never have to live in camps or on the streets. We would also like to extend One World in a way that it can provide specific disaster relief in communities throughout the globe.
Some of the technology used for our application was its main framework of Rails, and one of our bigger challenges was integrating Mailboxer app to work with our application. Mailboxer natively uses Devise for its authentication system and Bootstrap for its front-end components. We use bcrypt for our authentication system and Materialize for our front-end. So we were able to integrate that into our application to keep all of its features and still get it to work with our code. So we're very proud of that in the end.
All right, I'm Serena Stater. Before this, I spent the last several years of my life in retail. I'm excited to continue on this journey as a junior developer, and I hope to one day be a super awesome developer and a role model for women who are looking to enter the tech industry.
I'm Tim Ingram. I spent the last 7 years working in educational data management compliance reporting, and yes, it's boring sometimes. So I would like to continue my skills here with improving efficiencies for return tools within junior development.
actually look into the liability, legality, and possible issues from trying to host a individual.
We're dreamers.
There was somebody listening to a question, how would you protect both parties?
Yeah, we asked ourselves in the beginning when we were brainstorming about it quite a bit, and then we just decided to just go with it.
So there's other industries like Airbnb and some of those online. Did you look at how any of those work to kind of get an idea of, or what did you model this off of anything?
Airbnb was our inspiration. Yeah.
Yeah, it looked good call. It's one that worked. Thank you.
Awesome job, guys. Airbnb refugees. Next up, we have